My 7-year-old son loves sharks, so I bought him an Intex Shark floaty from Amazon. And here is the quick unboxing of it, and there you can see that there's nothing else inside the box aside from deflated shark and user manual safety guide. Right, so this is the 3 chambers shark, 1 each fins and 1 on the tail. Let's inflate it and we'll see. Let's get my rechargeable pump here. The material is quite thick actually, so it's pretty. Yeah, so from fin to fin actually like is 40 inches. Then from tail to... So from tail to, that's, you guys can see that? That's 70 inches. So it's big. But here is, it's like about 11 inches. It's pretty good. Yeah, so this is huge. Actually, it's a lot bigger than I thought. So we went to the lake the next day and you can see my son is enjoying it. Again, this shark floaty has 3 air chambers, so it's a lot safer than a single chamber. I bought it from Amazon for 21 Canadian dollars. I will leave the Amazon link in the description below. And if you're looking to get one for your kids, this is a good time because right now it is on sale for $18.94 Canadian. So take advantage of the sale, be safe on the water. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.